The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders and secrets waiting to be discovered. In this video, we're going to explore some of the biggest mysteries of the universe, from the beginning of time to the end of the cosmos. Let's start with black holes. These cosmic monsters are some of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. They are incredibly dense, with gravity so strong that not even light can escape. Next, we have the Big Bang. This event marks the beginning of our universe, and yet we still don't fully understand how or why it happened. Another mystery is the question of dark matter. We know that it exists because it affects the motion of galaxies, but we have yet to directly detect it. And what about the fate of the universe itself? Will it continue to expand forever, or will it eventually collapse in on itself in a big crunch? These are just some of the mysteries that we're trying to unravel through our research and observations of the cosmos. Thanks to technological advancements, we're able to explore the universe in ways that were once unimaginable. Who knows what other mysteries we'll uncover in the years to come? Thanks for watching, and keep looking up. The universe is waiting to be discovered.